The owner of an auto body shop in Chinatown was among several witnesses called to testify at a murder trial today. His employee is one of two men beaten to death during a pair of unprovoked attacks in 2022. A day he says was traumatic and one he'll never forget. CTV's Amanda Anderson reports.
What happened inside the washroom of this auto body shop is the current focus of a second-degree murder trial. Justin Bone is accused in unprovoked attacks in Chinatown nearly 4 years ago, killing 64-year-old Hung Trang, an employee at the auto body shop, and 61-year-old Bonfu Kwang at his nearby electronics store. Today, the owner of the auto body shop was called as a witness. Anthony Hai told the court he was in a different building when an employee came to tell him there was an altercation. A video timeline from several surveillance cameras was played. Hai says 3 employees went with him to see what was going on, as seen in the video. He testified a man was coming out of the washroom and mumbled something about wanting to fight. Hai says an employee then asked for someone to call 911. It was then he saw Trang in the bathroom area. I saw Hung laying face down on the floor with water flowing, Hai said, explaining the water was coming from a toilet that had been broken. Hai says he wanted to keep the man in his sights, eventually getting into his vehicle to follow him. I don't want to incriminate myself, but I made an illegal U-turn, Hai testified, saying he also called a private security company he'd hired because of past problems in Chinatown. During cross-examination, Bone's lawyer pointed out a few discrepancies between what Hai said in court and what he told police at the time. The defense asked if he agreed his memory may have faded. Hai replied yes and no, saying it was traumatic. He agreed he may have forgotten a few specifics, but told the court it's pretty hard to forget something like this. 2 other shop employees testified, one telling the court he and Trang both asked the man to leave. He also recalled seeing what he thought was dried blood on the man's face. The trial continues tomorrow. Amanda Anderson, CTV News, Edmonton.